So next in the agenda, I would like to invite Professor Nawadon Professor Nawadon Lausiripot, the director of the JGSEE, to give an opening remarks.
Okay, so first, thank you very much, Dr. Smilat, for the nice introduction and also arrange this interesting webinar. So good morning and also good afternoon, distinguished speaker and participant. So I'm Nawadon Lausiripot on behalf of the Joint School of Energy and Environment. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the webinar on the energy system planning for sustainable development in Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we all know about the importance of the global warming awareness at the moment, because now the world current effort on the energy and environment are mainly to transform the energy system to achieve the target on the carbon neutrality and the net zero emission target, as Dr. Sumit mentioned already. And recently, there are several attempts, and the share of the renewable energy in the electricity generation has been increased progressively because of a lot of the policy implementation, regulation, incentive, and innovation embedded in the power system. Okay, so when we talk about innovation, at the moment, several science, technology, and innovation relevant to the cleaner technology has been developing progressively. Okay, and one of the important examples, like the innovative technology and the smart solution to control and to manage the energy system with the higher sharing of the renewable energy integration, with still enabling to reliability and stability of the overall energy system with good example. So I think in the near future, a lot of the advanced digital technology, such as big data analytics, the Internet of Things, and the artificial intelligence will certainly be applied and to accelerate the transformation of the energy industry. So in this webinar, okay, we are going to introduce you the energy system optimization model, okay, which is very powerful tool for the policymaker and also the planner to develop the effective strategy for achieving carbon neutrality and also other energy-related objectives. So you have chance to learn a lot with this relevant topic from the expert, like from EGAT, PEA, and also USAID Data Tech. So once again, welcome you all to this webinar, and I do hope that you will find this webinar useful with a lot of the take-home value. Okay, so thank you for your attention.